Welcome! In this video, we'll walk you through the process of creating a new asset using the Asset Naming Assistant, or ANA. This tool helps ensure consistency, clarity, and compliance with your organization's naming standards. To begin, navigate to your Asset Naming app. Then, click on Asset Modules. Once the Asset module loads, you can either create a new asset or edit an existing one by clicking on the Create or Edit button. You will then be prompted to choose the type of asset you wish to create. For this demonstration, we'll be creating a program. The next step involves selecting the workspace from your Marketo instance. After selecting the workspace, choose the type of program you wish to create. There are 4 types of programs available in Marketo: Default, Event, Engagement, and Email. For this demonstration, we'll select the default type. After selecting the program type, you will need to choose a channel. The channel options available are sourced from your Marketo instance, as set up in the admin section, so please ensure you select the correct channel. Once the channel is selected, you'll be taken to the asset creation form where you'll fill in all necessary fields based on the categories predefined by your admin in the configuration module. Fill in all the required details in the category section. Next, we have program tags, which sourced from your Marketo instance and are created and managed in the Admin Tags section of Marketo. Administrators can define the relevant program types for each tag, such as default, email, engagement, and event. When setting up a new program in ANA, users must choose tag values that the administrator has previously defined in Marketo. Next, we have tokens created under the Token section within the Configuration module. Once created, they are available to the user only when creating or configuring program assets. After filling in all the details, select the folder where you'd like to create your asset in the marketer. Before creating your program, you can also assign tags. Click on Assign Tags, and if there are any pre-existing tags, you can search for them, click on them directly, or create your own new tag. Select the tag and save it. Now the program tag is associated with this asset. This tag is for internal purposes only, and it's useful for tracking the asset. Next, click on the Create Program button to successfully create your asset. Once the asset is created, you'll be provided with a link. Clicking on this link will take you to the asset in the Marketo instance. You can also edit the asset and save it. And there you have it. You've successfully created your first asset while adhering to the naming standard. This process ensures every asset is traceable, organized, and in line with marketing guidelines. In the next video, we'll explore how to manage existing apps. Thank you for watching.